Recipe Mutton Qorma. Take pressure cooker add washed mutton, 2 cut onion ginger garlic paste 2 spoon to tomatoes cut green chili 6 salt red chili turmeric mix garam masala add per taste 1 cup water. Locked cooker 10 minutes. Open cooker add ghee or cooking oil yogurt. Well cook. Add 1 cup water and dry water dish ready. Tasty. Recipe Mutton Gosht Aloo. Mutton washed onion 2 cut tomatoes 2 chopped 6 green chili ginger garlic paste to spoon grind salt red chili turmeric cumin mix garam masala green ilachi. All ingredients add in pressure cooker and add 1 cup water locked 10 minutes. Open cooker add cooking oil and well cook. After cut potatoes aloo add and cover in low flame even oil is over. Then add 1 cup water and gravy cook. Dish ready. Tasty.